Alright. This is in response to your video about your new grow box, and I've called you before on the phone. My name's Jonas. You've heard of me. I'm very interested in what you do. I would really like if you would figure out a way to contact me. My email address is jonas1bmx@yahoo.com. Just keep. That's my friend in the background. Anyways, I would really like you if you would email a lot of information about this. I'm extremely interested. If you could possibly bring, more info and teach me better techniques, or maybe even learn from me about certain techniques that I know. I'm really good at what I do. I'm very interested in selling things that I create and make.
What the fuck you do?
If you could bring, or not bring rather, but make other things, and maybe take suggestions on what to make, and maybe dimensions or certain heights of grow boxes and yada yada. It'd be really cool, but I really like your response, and would like to have a response, and if you could respond to me within the next couple of days with what you think, just send it to my email, and I should get it really soon. Alright, thank you. Have a great day, man. I love what you do. Keep up the good work, and peace.